Hello guys, in this video we will see how can we give TF IDF score to our vectors. Okay, so we have already talked about the TF IDF. So in this video we will see how can we give the TF IDF score in our Python. Okay, so I have done some code changes in the project which you will find in the description. I have uploaded the whole project in the GitHub, so you can find there. Okay, so in this video we will see how can we give TF IDF score. Okay, so first you have to import this library from sklearn feature extraction.txt. Import tf idf vectorizer. Okay, now store the object of tf idf vectorizer and give the max feature. You can also avoid this argument. So I am giving the max feature 2000, means it will create 2000 column of the words, okay, of the different words which words are frequently coming. Okay, it will create total 2000 columns which are frequently coming words. Okay, if I give the max feature equal to 2000, okay, and I have stored the object in vectorizer. Okay, then I transform my corpus by this object. So I have written vectorizer.fit transform, and then I have passed my corpus. Then I stored it in vectors. Okay, so what it will do, it will create a vector with the tf-idf score. Okay, so now I have to add this vector, the vector of scores in my data frame. So how can I add? So there is one feature. Okay, so there is one function get feature name. Okay, so if I write my object name vectorizer dot get feature name, and if I store it in features name variable, and if I print, then you can see the whole column names. Okay, so these are all the words for which we are giving the TF-IDF score, which are the max words or max words of 2000 which are coming in our list. Okay, so how can I add this TF-IDF columns and the score in my data frame? So this is the syntax. Don't go in the depth of the syntax. This is syntactical thing. So vector dot to tens, it will create the data matrix. I will store it in tens. Also I will store the list in dens.toList method. It will create a list of it, and then I will simply create my data frame by using this pd.dataframe. Then I will pass dense list, and what are the name of columns. So columns equals to features name. So this is our features name. Okay, so what it is, actually it is our data matrix, the score of the vectors. Okay, don't go to depth in it. This is just a syntactical things. You have to clear the concept with the tf-idf. Okay, then I have passed this dense list in my data frame, and what are my columns are this, which I have extracted from this method get features name. So if you see the result, you can see that's how my data matrix is looking now. It has given the TF-IDF score to each feature, you can see. Okay, so this is our the sparse matrix, a large sparse matrix which have with us. If I see the shape, then there you can see 2945 rows and 2000 columns, because we have given 2000 max features. Okay, so that's how you can actually give the TF-IDF score in the Python. So that's it about this video. Thank you.